Push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. Good morning to one and all present here. Today my topic is Animal Kingdom submitted to Megha ma'am, made by Nitika. This is my biology project, chapter 4 from class 11 biology. So let's start. Level of organization. Second, symmetry. Asymmetry. Body can't be divided into two equal halves. Example, sponges. Radial symmetry. Body can be cut into two equal halves passing through central axis. Example, echinodermate. Bilateral symmetry. Body can be cut into two equal halves. Example, butterfly. Diploblastic and diploblastic organism. Diploblastic. Cells are arranged in two embryonic layers, endoderm and ectoderm. Diploblastic, three layers are present: endoderm, ectoderm, mesoderm. Third, coelom. Fluid-filled body cavity present between the body and digestive tract of an animal. Acoelomate. Coelom is absent. Pseudocoelomate. Fake coelom is present. Coelomate. True coelom is present. Examples. 4. Segmentation and metamerism. External and internal divided into segmentation with repetition organ. For example, earthworm. 4th, notochord. Rod-like structure present during the embryonic development. Notochord are of two types, corded and non-corded. Classification of animals. Phylum, Porifera. Mostly marine and asymmetrical. Cellular organization. Pores bearing called osteoma. Body cavity. Osculum helps in water transport. Example, Euspongia. Phylum, Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Marine and radial symmetry. Tissue level of organizations. Species of free living. They are two types of individual, polyps and medusa. Example, jellyfish and hydra. Phylum, Ctenophora. Commonly known as sea walnut or combo jellies, exclusively marine. Diploblastic and radial symmetry. Tissue level of organization. Example, Pleurobrachia. Platyhelminthes. Dorsoventrally flattened body. Diploblastic and bilateral symmetry. Mostly endoparasitic in animal and human. Organ level of organization. Example, liver flux. Phylum, Aschelminthes, roundworms. Free living and parasitic. Bilateral symmetry and diploblastic. Organ level of organization. Female is longer than male as shown in the figure. Ascaris. Phylum, Annelida. They may be aquatic or terrestrial. Bilateral symmetry and diploblastic. Free living. Example, Nereis. Phylum, Orthopoda. This is the largest phylum of Annelida. Bilateral symmetry, diploblastic, segmented body. Example, butterfly. Phylum, Mollusca. This is the second largest phylum. Bilateral symmetry and diploblastic. Organ level of organization. Example, Pilla. Echinodermata. Endoskeleton in form of plates. Bilateral symmetry and diploblastic. Organ level of organization. Example, starfish. Thank you. Have a nice day.